and girls, it's nice to see you again. Привіт, хлопчики та дівчатка. Я рада вас знову бачити. Look at my background. What can you see? Подивіться на мій фон. Що ви бачите? Yeah, that's right. Ви бачите тварин. Які це тварини? That's right. Правильно. Це жирафа, зебра, лев. So, як ми можемо назвати цих тварин? Правильно, це дикі тварини. Давайте назвемо їх Wild animals. Let's repeat after me. Повторіть за мною. Wild animals. Окей, правильно. Тож сьогодні ми з вами вивчимо назви диких тварин англійською. Для початку подивимось відео. Давайте будемо повторювати назви диких тварин. Let's go!
Hello, friends! Do you like animals? I love them! Today we're going to learn about wild animals! I came by searching for them, but it's already nighttime. I'll use my torch to find them. There's a silhouette over there. Which animal would that be? It's a lion! Lion? The lion is the king of the jungle. Lion. I see another silhouette over there. Let's find out what animal that is. It's an elephant. Elephant. The elephant is huge. Elephant. Let's see what other animals we can spot. It's a giraffe. Giraffe. That's quite a neck, isn't it? Giraffe. Let's see what we'll find in this tree. It's a monkey. Monkey. Monkeys are so funny. Monkey. Let's see what's down there. It's a crocodile. Crocodile. Look at those teeth. Crocodile. There's another silhouette. What would that be? A gorilla. Gorilla. Gorillas are very strong. Gorilla. Let's keep searching for animals. Over here. A zebra. Zebra. Zebra stripes are so cool. Zebra. Let's see if we can spot more wild animals. A tiger. Tiger. Tigers are fierce. Tiger. What else have we got here? A rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. My, look at that horn. Rhinoceros. Let's see if there's another animal around. Sure there is. A bear. Bear. How big is that bear? Bear. I think there's one more animal around here. A wolf. Wolf. I love wolves. Wolf.
Okay, kids, well done. And now let's play game. Давайте пограємо в гру. Нам треба буде поєднати назву тварини з її картинкою. Подивіться спочатку на малюнок, яких тварин ви бачите. Молодці! Ми бачимо слона, змію, жирафа, крокодила, мавпу, тигра, зебру та лева. Давайте поєднаємо назву тварини з картинкою. Наприклад, перше. Elephant. Elephant. Ви бачите слона? Yes, that's right, ось він. Next one. Snake. Snake. Я можу дати вам підказку. Next one, snake. Snake. Знайдіть snake. Правильно, ось вона. Next one, hippo. Hippo. Відшукайте hippo. Так, ось він. Giraffe. Giraffe. That's right. Next one, crocodile. Crocodile. Так, правильно, молодці. Ось він. Zebra. Zebra. Чудово. Monkey. Monkey. Так, правильно, ось вона. Остання. Lion. Останнє. Tiger. Tiger. Знайдіть tiger. Правильно, ось він. Молодці. Let's play another game. Давайте пограємо в іншу гру. Треба знайти тваринку, яка підходить до форми.
Which animal do you think fits the hole in the center?
So, which animal? Яка тварина підходить? Yes, that's right. It's a lion. Let's repeat. Lion.
Which animal do you think fits the hole in the center?
Lion.
That's right. The lion fits perfectly.
Прекрасно,
New shape.
молодці.
Which animal do you think fits this time?
Which animal? Яка тварина підходить? That's right. It's a hippo.
Yay! The hippo is the right answer. Which animal do you think has the same shape as the hole in the center?
What animal is it? Яка це тваринка? That's right. It's a rabbit.
Great! The cute bunny's shape is exactly the same as the hole. Wow! A new set of animals. Which animal fits the hole in the center?
Which animal? Yes, it's elephant. Let's repeat. Elephant. Elephant. Well done.
That's right. The elephant fits perfectly. Which animal do you think matches the shape of the hole?
And what animal is it? Yes, it's a crocodile.
Yep, the alligator is the correct animal. How about this one? Which one do you think will fit?
What animal is it? Well done, it's a zebra. Zebra.
Amazing! You're right. The zebra fits.
And what animal is it? Yes, it's a kangaroo. Kangaroo. Let's
Can you
repeat.
guess which You're 100% right. The kangaroo fits there.
Okay, well done. Okay, kids, and let's go to the zoo. Давайте підемо в зоопарк. So, what zoo animal can you see? Як ви думаєте, яка це тварина? What animal is it? So, yes, it's a lion. Let's repeat. Давайте повторимо. Lion. Well done. And what zoo animal can you see? Yes, it's a tiger. Perfect. What zoo animal can you see? So, yes, great. It's elephant. Let's repeat. Elephant. Well done. What zoo animal can you see? Yes, it's a giraffe. Giraffe. Let's repeat. Giraffe. Well done. What zoo animal can you see? Yes, it's a panda. Panda. Let's repeat. Panda. What zoo animal can you see now? That's right, it's hippo. Let's repeat. Hippo. Hippo. What zoo animal can you see? Yes, it's a zebra. Let's repeat. Zebra. Zebra. Good. What zoo animal can you see? Yes, it's a parrot. Parrot. Let's repeat. Parrot. Good. What zoo animal can you see? Yes, it's a monkey. Monkey. Let's repeat. Monkey. Well done, kids. And now let's watch the safari video. А зараз я вам пропоную подивитись відео про сафарі тварин. So, we had elephant, lion, giraffe and zebra. Let's start with elephant. Давайте почнемо з elephant. Well done. Let's look about lion. Well done. And let's look about giraffe. Great. And about zebra. Well done, kids. And let's play our last game. Давайте пограємо в останню гру. Зображення будуть повільно розкриватися. Коли ви зрозумієте, яка це тварина, голосно-голосно її назвіть. So, let's go! Квадратики починають проявлятися. Do you know what animal is it? Ви вже знаєте, яка це тваринка? Якщо так, то голосно-голосно її назвіть. So, that's right, it's elephant. Elephant. An elephant. Well done. Next picture. Наступна картинка. Do you know what animal is it? Ви вже зрозуміли, яка це тварина? Yes, that's right. It's a crocodile. Well done. Look at crocodile. The next picture. What animal is it? Yes, that's right. It's monkey. Monkey. That's right. The next picture. О, я думаю, ви вже здогадались, що це за тварина. Yes, it's a giraffe. Так, ось він, giraffe. Well done. Another picture. What animal is it? Yes, it's a hippo. Hippo. That's right. So what's this? Do you know what animal is it? Yes, well done. It's a tiger. Tiger. Yes, it's correct. Tiger. Another picture. What animal is it? Yes, that's right. It's a snake. Snake. It's a snake. Another picture. What animal is it? Yes, it's a zebra. It's easy. Це було легко. Zebra. That's right. The next picture. So what animal is it? I think it's easy too. So what is it? That's right. It's a kangaroo. A kangaroo. A kangaroo. The next picture. So, what animal is this? What animal is it? So, it's a panda. That's right, panda. Well done, it's a panda. Okay, kids, well done. So, kids, let's repeat the new words. Listen carefully and repeat. Слухайте уважно та повторюйте.
Lion. Elephant. Giraffe. Monkey. Crocodile. Gorilla. Zebra. Tiger. Rhinoceros. Bear. Wolf.
Well done, kids. But now I must say you goodbye. Давайте з вами попрощаємось. And say everyone goodbye. See you next time.